I almost said drippage. That's a nasty sounding word, I feel like. Living in New England is magical, right? That's exciting. I get excited over colors. So you can go watch that if you're looking to make what? It's gonna be ready, and you're gonna go whoa. Oh my god. And then I'm gonna bring you over here. We're gonna spin you onto this tripod. Whoa. That's super fun. Professional. Why am I red? Why am I red? It's not red in here. What's happening? You crazy? You crazy? Oh my goodness. Demio has had wet footsies. It's so crazy now. I need like a million of these all across my entire apartment. That probably shouldn't happen. Okay, I'm okay. Bleh, bleh. So before bleh, and if it can be a good top or I'm literally talking about being kind. See how it works. Hopefully it works. I really want it to work. Why are we wearing the same color?
Electro eyes.
Why are we wearing the same color?
I'll go change.
You don't have to change. Okay. He's changing apparently. So when you see him in a second have a different shirt on, he felt the need to change. I wasn't saying he had to change.
Right, you were just telling them that when they see me in a second, they have to have a different shirt on, right?
No. Is that what I said?
We're all changing shirts.
What's the word?
Script. Flip the script, right?
No,
that's
no.
a phrase. The mold.
I'm gonna change up the angle so that you guys can see what we're doing. That's what I was trying to say.
Yeah.
Okay. And thus, an avocado-shaped, galaxy-themed geode was born. Oh my goodness! What's going on? No one's paying attention to me. You're okay. Yeah, I know. It's not lunchtime yet, is it? I don't know what time it is. Oh. You have 1 more hour. Everybody wants to put roses in flowers. Yeah. So if you are, sure. I'm sorry about my nails again. Like as always, can I just say a blanket apology for my nails? They're never gonna look nice. I swear. 3. Okay.
Hello.
Fantastic. So these So these paints are called Rick's. Start that over again.
Doing great.
Yeah, you had some like crusty stuff on there.
Don't worry about my crusty glasses.
Can that reminds me of Oogie Boogie.
Oh.
He goes slicks back his hair.
Gotcha.
And he's like, what? You think you can make a fool out of me? And then he yells.
He yells. Hi guys, welcome back to her channel. Wow. Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh.
I did that
Symphony of Destruction.
Mindlessly. It was called. We'll also put a link that why can't I say this? I will also put a link down in the description. I still didn't say it. I will also put a link down in the... I can see your legs in the background.
Really?
Yeah. I don't think they're gonna be upset about it. I can still see them. Is it Swarovski?
Yes.
Swarov.
No, not that. Bye-bye.
Because it just was not right. I know. Don't tell anybody about the first layer. Pinky promise, everybody, Pinky promise me that you're gonna tell nobody about this first layer. Keychain. Keychain. Aren't they?
I don't know, it might be.
What are you doing?
Wow, a keychain. Turn. Do your spin. This is me keychain.
Keychain. It's a keychain. How can I like oh my keys?
I don't know.
Am I doing it?
I guess, yeah. I mean, this is the most key-related content I've ever seen. Jingle jangle.
Wow.
Jingle jangle.
Okay. You don't need to whip it around like that. Just let it hang. I want to see what it looks like. Just let it hang. I'm gonna pull out my drill. That sounded dirty. I'm gonna pull the drill out. No matter how I word that, it just sounds not right. So I'm gonna get the drill. Oh, my record button is sticky.
Really?
Yeah. Usually, like when I get resin on my camera, I'm like, oh, it'll cure, and then it'll be fine.
Yeah.
But the button itself was sticky, so that's great. And then go in. It is so rude every time it does that. And finally get our pictures in. Why do I have to say everything? Sorry.
I was gonna fix your little, you had like a little foof,
Oh.
and I was gonna fix it, and then you fixed it before me.
It's fine, it's all sweaty anyway, so you probably don't want to touch it.
In a Mulan moment.
I'm always in a Mulan moment.
Please bring honor to us, please bring honor to us.
Oh yeah. Ow. Stop. Cut it out. Stop.
It's fine.
Is it?
I think. Something moved. I think the drawers are collapsing. Who is that girl I see? What's your side? This is your side.
You're on my side.
Oh, wow.
What? You were about to ask me which side I like.
You're like, yeah, you're on the other side.
No, it's gonna bother me. Why can't you be shorter? What? Oh. Imagine if there's no audio on this. Because you told me the wrong thing.
Okay, you can come over here and look at it. No, that's stressful.
I'm the person. You know?
I'm the face.
No. That's not what I mean. That's not what I mean.
That's not what I mean. I'm just me. I just try so hard.
This whole video is gonna be bloopers. Did you break it? Did you break it?
Hi guys. Me and Pringles.
Flowers, then continue. What? What was that? Then continue watching. Watching. Probably do all. What do you think of my blood drippies?
I think they look good.
Cool.
Some of the dots are a little big for that, but I feel like
It was quite the situation, okay? Well, you look like a fancy man.
Do I?
Yeah. Is that what you were going for?
I don't know,
Fancy
I just
man?
Just however I felt. Peter's still cool.
Bleh. Bleh, bleh, bleh. Hey everyone, welcome back. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Why do you have to fly into the light above my head? Maybe, just maybe, it'll look like a brain. Where's my tape? Hello? Am I just blind right now? What's happening? I feel like I'm looking at it and just not seeing it, you know, when you're looking for things and like you're looking and it's right in front of your face. Okay, wait. Oh yeah, my audio is on. Here. Here. I'm so bummed. I was so excited to put this on my phone. Like, look, it's so cute. So these molds are from Zapped Design, and I think I'm gonna lose my train of thought on purpose. I'll try. I'm not very good at holding multiple things, and I have two hands. That's what I forgot.
Hand simulator.
You're doing it so much better. Stop. I'm not good at holding multiple things.
You got it. There we go. Just keep going, touching them. Surely they'll just stick to your hands at some point.
Oh, get out of the way. Are you trying to take over? Oh my god. What makes you famous? I have a pair of scissors.
Exactly. Scissor possession.
Do you possess scissors? Like, ooh.
I will cut your hair.
No, please don't. That is actually my nightmare. Every time you're on my channel, it feels like you're trying to take over.
Look up. Yep, it's not in your right nostril.
This one?
Yep.
I don't want to be on camera picking my nose, so I'm going to go over here. I think Hey guys, so I just wanted to insert a little clip at the end of this video just to thank you guys so much for watching my videos this year and being on my channel, subscribe to my channel, liking any of the videos, commenting if you did, anything, any interaction with my videos this year. Thank you so much. Obviously this year was really crazy for many reasons for everybody basically. So I don't know, I wanted to insert a little clip at the end to let you guys know that I don't know what I would have done without you guys this year. Honestly, I can't even tell you how grateful I am, and I'm gonna try to not get emotional, which is pretty difficult for me, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I appreciate literally everything. I can't believe any of this is actually happening. I love you guys so much. It's not even, I don't even know how to put words to it, really. You know, you guys commented all throughout this year that my videos have inspired you and they've helped you through the craziness that is going on, and you have no idea. First of all, you have no idea how much that means to me. Second of all, you have no idea how much you helped me through this year. So the feeling is very mutual. I love you guys, and I'm so grateful for you. Thank you for being here this year. Thank you for your continued support. I'm so excited to get into 2021. I hope that you guys enjoyed this bloopers video. It was really fun to kind of go through and watch. I basically had to re-watch these videos and edit them sort of again. You know, not as like precise and tight as I normally have to edit these videos, but it was pretty cool and interesting to go back and like start from January and just find all of these bloopers throughout the entire year. It was interesting, and certain parts were kind of sad, you know, to kind of start in January and edit through, you know, March when things started to happen here, and just to kind of see how this channel has basically, like, I don't know, I honestly don't know what I would have done without you guys this year. Like, I cannot even express that well enough, because I really feel like without you guys and this channel and the motivation that it gave me. I don't know. I feel like I owe you guys more than I know, more than you know. Like, this channel is so incredibly special to me, and I just wanted to get a little emotional and to thank you guys at the end of this video. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching all of these videos if you did, and if you're new, still, thank you so much for being here. And I will see you guys in 2020. Goodbye. Wait, did I say 2020? One extra blooper for you guys. And I will see you guys in 2021. Goodbye. There we go. That was the right year.